We've got all wounds. Disappointments. Sometimes things that God does that we don't understand. And we sit with those wounds, but what we do is we constantly scratch them. It just starts to heal, and then I scratch it again. The human nature is strange, but we want wholeness and peace, but yet we constantly scratch those things. And it's almost like we cannot get wholeness and peace and healing in our own journey. And it reminds us of what people has done. It reminds us of where we're coming from. And we cannot get out of the trap. And that's what he's done. He was constantly scratching those wounds. What has Saul done? What has these done? And so on. But then he comes to a place where he stands in his radiance. And he understands a forgiving God, a gracious God that was forgiving to me. And part of his story there is, Lord, can I come clean with you? Forgive me again. Wash me and cleanse me. Don't take your spirit from me. Make me afresh and anew. Give me eyes anew that I can see. That's what he pins down in the psalm. And then he said, but then I become radiant. There's no more shame in his presence.